Our world is dominated by computers. We are surrounded by them. But have you ever wondered what computer actually is? When someone says the word computer, they are actually speaking of a personal computer or PC. However, it's not the only computer. Laptops, phone, tablet, calculator, smartwatch, smart bulb also count as computers. In fact, any electronic device that can compute can be called a computer. Formally speaking, any electronic device that takes in input, processes the data, and provides an output is a computer. Consider the input 2 plus 3. The computer takes in 2 plus 3, computes it, and provides the output 5. Similarly, let's consider a character from a game. When we provide the input forward arrow, computer processes it and moves the character one step forward. Hit the forward arrow again. Processing happens and the character takes one more step. Keep hitting the arrow and you can notice that the character takes more steps forward. So computation can mean anything from as basic as adding numbers to zooming an image when you hit the zoom key. Broadly speaking, a computer is made up of hardware and software. The physical parts of the computer come under hardware, like the processor, input devices, output devices, and storage devices, whereas software is a tool or set of instructions that lets you get your tasks done. System software and application software are two categories of software. Let's now dig deeper into hardware and software. Any hardware device falls into one of these categories. The processor is the brain of the computer. It is where all the computation takes place. Some examples include Intel processors, AMD Ryzen processors for PCs, and Snapdragon processors for smartphones. Input devices are those devices that provide input to the computer, like the mouse, keyboard, and joystick provide click or press inputs. Microphones take audio input, touchpads take touch, code scanners read barcode, a phone's camera provides picture input, gyro sensor in a phone provides its orientation, even a selfie stick has a button input for selfie capture. These are some examples of input devices. Output devices are those that provide some kind of information to the user. Monitors give us picture output, speakers provide the sound, printers provide text output on a paper. Some devices out there function as both input and output devices. They not only provide input data to the computer, but also collect output data and store them. We call them the storage devices. Pen drive, SD cards, hard disk drives, RAM are some common examples of storage devices. Coming to software, a software is a set of instructions that makes the computer do your task. Any software out there falls into one of these categories: application software and system software. Application software are those that let you do one specific task. Example, Skype, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram provide us social networking. MS Word is a text editing application. YouTube lets us stream video content. Chrome and Mozilla let you surf the web. But for all these applications to function, they require a platform that can host them and manage the hardware resources of the computer. These are known as system software. Operating systems like Linux, Windows, Mac are best example of system softwares that are used on a PC. Android OS is widely used for smartphones. Now that we understand what a computer is and what it consists of, let's talk about the applications of a computer. Computers are used in booking movie tickets, gaming, storing business data, home assistance, video streaming, and almost everything in today's world. They occupy a major place in our day-to-day activities. Hi there, hope you liked the video. This video is part of a series called Computer in a Nutshell. This series will take you on a crazy ride, understanding each and every aspect of computers. So now that you know what a computer is, it's time to know what's inside a computer. The next video from this series will have you covered. Click the link in the description now to watch it. If you find this video informative, please share it forward. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.